Keeping a clean home when you have pets can be challenging, especially when it comes to maintaining carpets. Pet messes, from muddy paw prints to accidents, can leave your carpets looking and smelling less than ideal. This Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner, 3D288, a powerful, professional-grade cleaning machine designed to tackle the toughest pet stains and odors. This review delves into its features, performance, and why it stands out in the market. Key benefits of the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro. 1. Professional-grade cleaning. The DirtLifter PowerBrush and strong suction ensure deep, thorough cleaning, outperforming rental machines. 2. Large-capacity dual tanks efficiently separate clean and dirty water, reducing trips to the sink and ensuring you always clean with fresh water. 3. Fast drying times. Powerful suction removes more moisture from carpets, leading to quicker drying times. 4. Ergonomic design. Comfortable handle and balanced weight make it easy to maneuver and use. 5. Effective pet stain and odor removal. The Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula tackles tough pet messes and odors. 6. Versatile attachments. Clean upholstery, stairs, and car interiors with the included hose and tools. 7. Supports a good cause. Each purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation's mission to save homeless pets. Upon unboxing the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro, the first thing that strikes you is its robust build and thoughtful design. This machine is built to last, with a solid construction that can handle the rigors of deep cleaning. Included in the box are the main carpet cleaner unit, a full-size 48 Oz bottle of Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula, and various attachments designed to enhance your cleaning experience. The heart of the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro is its DirtLifter PowerBrush. This brush features 8 rows of bristles that penetrate deep into the carpet fibers, agitating and lifting embedded dirt and stains. Coupled with powerful suction, this ensures that even the most stubborn pet messes are thoroughly cleaned. Bissell claims that this machine cleans better than the leading rental carpet cleaner, a bold statement backed by its performance. One of the standout features of the Big Green Pet Pro is its dual tank system. This design keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring that you're always using clean water to wash your carpets. The tanks are also large enough to minimize trips to the sink, making the cleaning process more efficient. The clean water tank holds ample solution to cover a significant area, while the dirty water tank can accommodate a substantial amount of extracted water before needing to be emptied. Another notable advantage of the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro is its ability to leave carpets noticeably dry after cleaning. The powerful suction not only lifts dirt and stains, but also extracts a significant amount of moisture from the carpet, resulting in faster drying times compared to other carpet cleaners. This is particularly beneficial in households with pets and children, where carpets need to be back in use as soon as possible. Cleaning can be a strenuous task, but the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro aims to make it more comfortable with its ergonomic design. The handle is engineered for comfort, reducing strain during extended cleaning sessions. The machine's weight is well balanced, making it easier to maneuver across various carpeted surfaces without excessive effort. Pets are part of the family, but their messes can be a challenge. The Bissell Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula included with the Big Green Pet Pro is specifically designed to tackle pet stains and odors. This formula, combined with the machine's powerful cleaning action, effectively removes pet urine, feces, vomit, and other organic stains from carpets and upholstery. It doesn't just mask odors but eliminates them, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. The Big Green Pet Pro isn't just for carpets. It comes with a hose and tools that make it versatile enough to clean upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. The included attachments are designed to extend the machine's reach and provide targeted cleaning for various surfaces and tough-to-reach areas. This makes it a comprehensive cleaning solution for pet owners who need to address messes throughout the home. Conclusion: the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner, 3D288 is a powerhouse when it comes to maintaining clean carpets in a pet-friendly household. Its professional-grade performance, efficient design, and versatility make it a standout choice for those serious about keeping their home clean and fresh. The added benefit of supporting the Bissell Pet Foundation makes it a purchase you can feel good about. Invest in the Bissell Big Green Pet Pro and experience the difference it can make in tackling pet messes and maintaining a cleaner, healthier home. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home this essential cleaning tool today. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this.